Welcome to a journey into the realm of artificial intelligence with our deep dive into expert systems. Imagine a world where machines can mimic human decision-making, offering solutions based on knowledge and reasoning, rather than just raw data analysis. This is the fascinating world of expert systems. Expert systems are a branch of artificial intelligence that are designed to replicate the decision-making ability of a human expert. They are intelligent systems that leverage a knowledge base and a set of rules to analyze information and suggest solutions. You can think of them as virtual consultants, offering advice and making predictions in a wide range of fields, from medical diagnosis to financial planning. These systems are transforming the way we approach problem-solving and decision-making, revolutionizing industries, and paving the way for a future where complex decisions could be made more efficiently and accurately. So, buckle up and join us as we explore the inner workings, applications, and the future potential of expert systems. To understand expert systems, we first need to grasp three key concepts. These are knowledge representation, inference mechanisms, and rule-based systems. Let's begin with knowledge representation. This is how expert systems store and organize information in a way that machines can understand and use. Think of it as the language of the machine world. It's a complex process that involves translating human knowledge into a format that can be processed by the system. This could be through semantic networks, frames, or production rules. It's like teaching a machine to understand the world as we do. Next up is inference mechanisms. This is the process by which expert systems draw conclusions based on the provided knowledge. It's the process of reasoning, deduction, and decision-making. You can think of it as the thinking part of the system. The inference mechanism takes the information from the knowledge representation and uses it to make decisions or solve problems. It's like a detective piecing together clues to solve a mystery. Finally, we have rule-based systems. These are a type of expert system where decisions are made based on a set of predefined rules. It's like a flowchart, where each decision leads to a different path based on the rules. This is how expert systems simulate human decision-making. They follow a set of rules to arrive at an answer, just like how we might follow a recipe to bake a cake. Together, these three concepts form the core of expert systems. They allow these systems to replicate human decision-making in a wide range of fields, from medical diagnosis to financial decision-making. It's like having a human expert, but one that can process information at incredible speeds and doesn't need to sleep or eat. With these concepts in mind, we can now delve into the components of expert systems. An expert system is much like a well-oiled machine, composed of three major parts. Each part plays a vital role in how the system operates and interacts with the world around it. Let's delve a bit deeper into these components and understand their significance. Firstly, we have the knowledge base. Just like a human brain storing facts and figures, the knowledge base is where an expert system stores its knowledge. This includes facts, rules, and heuristics. The knowledge base is the foundation upon which the system operates. It's the reservoir of information that the system draws from to make decisions and solve problems. It's continually updated and refined to ensure the system stays relevant and accurate. Next, we have the inference engine. This is the brain of the operation, the decision maker. The inference engine processes the information stored in the knowledge base and uses it to make decisions. It applies rules and logic to the information, simulating the human decision-making process. The inference engine is where the magic happens. It's what makes an expert system intelligent. Last, but certainly not least, is the user interface. In any system, the user experience is paramount, and expert systems are no exception. The user interface is the bridge between the human user and the system. It's designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, allowing users to interact with the system effectively. Whether it's inputting data, receiving results, or communicating with the system, the user interface makes it all possible. So, there you have it. The knowledge base, the inference engine, and the user interface. The three major components that make an expert system tick. They each play their part, working in harmony to create a system that can replicate human decision-making, solve complex problems, and provide invaluable assistance in a multitude of fields. These components work together to make expert systems a powerful tool in various applications. And as we continue to refine and develop these systems, who knows what incredible capabilities they may unlock in the future. You might wonder where expert systems are used. The answer is everywhere. In the medical field, expert systems play a crucial role. Imagine a digital doctor at your fingertips, capable of diagnosing diseases based on a set of symptoms. That's what expert systems can do. They can analyze patient data, recognize patterns, and suggest diagnoses or treatments, much like a human doctor would. Of course, they don't replace our healthcare professionals, but they do provide valuable support, especially in areas where medical expertise is scarce, or when a quick preliminary diagnosis is needed. Now, let's talk about finance. The world of investments, risk assessment, and financial forecasting is complex, to say the least. Here, expert systems come into play, simulating the decision-making skills of financial analysts. They can assess risk, recommend investments, and even predict market trends based on historical data and intricate financial models. They're like your personal financial advisors, working round the clock, with the added benefit of being immune to human biases and emotional decisions. Next up, customer support. We've all been there, stuck on a call, waiting for a customer service representative to assist us. Expert systems are changing that narrative. By intelligently analyzing customer queries and using a vast knowledge base, they can provide instant, accurate responses and solutions. They're not just limited to chatbots though. They can also analyze customer behavior and feedback, helping businesses improve their products and services. These applications are just the tip of the iceberg. There are countless ways expert systems are making a difference, from traffic management to environmental conservation, from legal advice to educational support. The applications are as diverse as they are impactful. So next time you encounter a smart, efficient system that seems to think like a human, chances are you're interacting with an expert system. And as we continue our journey into this fascinating world of artificial intelligence, remember, the potential of expert systems is only limited by our imagination. As technology evolves, so do expert systems. Let's look at what the future holds. In the ever-evolving world of technology, expert systems are also advancing at a breakneck pace. The integration of machine learning and artificial intelligence advancements is set to redefine the landscape of expert systems. Picture this: expert systems that continually learn and adapt. Instead of relying solely on predefined rules and heuristics, these intelligent systems would use machine learning algorithms to analyze data, identify patterns, and refine their decision-making capabilities over time. This marriage of expert systems and machine learning is poised to bring about a new era of intelligent decision support systems that are more robust, adaptable, and efficient. Another fascinating prospect is the integration of natural language processing, or NLP, in expert systems. This advancement would allow expert systems not just to understand and respond to structured queries, but also to comprehend and react to human language in a more natural and intuitive way. Imagine interacting with an expert system as you would with a human expert, with the system understanding your queries, even the ones expressed in everyday language, and providing accurate, context-aware responses. Moreover, the future of expert systems will also see more emphasis on ethical considerations. As these systems become increasingly integral to decision-making in various fields, ensuring their transparency, fairness, and accountability becomes paramount. Tech enthusiasts and researchers worldwide are working towards developing frameworks and standards to guide the ethical use of expert systems. In conclusion, the future of expert systems is bright and full of potential. As they continue to evolve, they will undoubtedly become more intelligent, more intuitive, and more ethical. They promise to revolutionize decision-making and problem-solving in myriad fields, from healthcare and finance to customer support and beyond. Expert systems are not just about technology, they are about enhancing decision-making and problem-solving. The future is exciting, and we invite you to be a part of it.